Hello everyone, today we have a really short video. What we implemented is that we can teleport around on the client side. Currently server side doesn't check that because we have a crucial thing that is missing on server side because server side doesn't know anything about the map. So next week we will make a video where we load some data from the backend and the backend will check our movement and teleportation around the map completely so that we can't cheat there anymore. But currently we can cheat and we will leverage that. So I created two teleport crystals. One is up here and the other one is down. When I talk with the teleport crystal, I get asked if I want to teleport down, and if I say yes, I will get teleported. And the same for the teleport at the down spot. We can say no, but we can say yes and come back up. So we are able to move around our map now. We can later implement the whole teleportation menu really easy, because what we do for teleportation currently is we leverage our NPC behavior. So the teleports get an NPC controller because they are basically behaving like an NPC, and we have created behavior for them. For example, teleport down has the behavior, do you want to teleport up? If you say yes, we teleport to up, and we could easily add choices for different teleports. So we could ask, do you want to teleport? And then we can make a teleport up, a teleport city, and whatever, and do a backend call teleport to. Currently, this is not a backend call because we can cheat, and we will leverage that for now to fix the issue that we can walk around. So we set a player controller set force position. This is a new functionality which get called outside of Unity function scope. So we shouldn't tinker with Unity game objects directly. So what we do is we set a variable force position. Force position in this case is not only a vector 2, it is nullable. So with this question mark you can make a variable nullable, so we can set it to null even though this is a struct that normally doesn't support a null. So vector 2 null normally is vector 0, but I want to be able to set the player to vector 0 also, so I make this nullable so I can set it to null. And in our behavior where we do our fixed update, we can just check if the force position is not null. Then we set the rigid body to the right position. Normally we would get this set force position from the backend and teleport to, will instead of calling this set force position, call the backend I want to teleport. The backend will remove some coins and set this force position, and this way the backend can also do set force position if someone moves too fast or cheated or something, and that we will leverage later. But for now I just wanted to fix that you can't do the quest, you have to relog to get back up on the map. There was also a little bug in our system, which was that quests wouldn't finish. Let me really fast go there. So there is a repo save was missing in finished quest. We didn't save our quest tracking state, which is a hard issue because if you relog you could redo quests over and over again. This is working now. That was a small little bug, and I drew this nice teleport crystal, and the rest works like our default NPC behavior. There's one issue when you can see when I walk against our NPC Hans, I can't walk through him, but I want to walk through the teleport crystal. This issue is easily fixed. I set the collider to trigger. What is trigger does is basically it doesn't move the rigid body out of the collider, so the rigid body can walk in or through the collider. That's how the is trigger flag and in the collider in Unity works. And now we can teleport around, leveraging the systems we have built so far. We can farm flowers and get back up there. And later we will create a whole teleportation menu with the behavior graph, and then it's even easier because every teleportation slot on the map will get the same script, because then you can pick where you want to teleport. This is it for today. Have a great weekend. Bye.